Hi guys, I'm here to review the JASHEN Cordless vacuum. First of all, that's the way you get it. If you can take a look, you have two brushes, one for carpet, one for tile. You get two filters, so you have an extra one, the charger. You have an option for brush just for the car. As you can see, this one using just for the car, or if you want something for specific, and you have the long one. So let me show you how to install it. It's very easy. Take the filter, switch it in, then you take in the battery. Then you have a 2 power setting if you want more power. And right now, for example, from this case, I can just choose if I want to clean that way. You take it off, you press the button. It's very quiet, very light. So let me use this one right now. And I forgot the water, so let me add the water. It's very good for dog's hair, and also it's very friendly with dogs. They're not scary or anything like that. And then I have the option for lock. There you go. Now, I want to show you one example how easy and powerful it is. So I prepared some dirt. You press here, if you can take a look. Press it once. And you have the lights down here as well, if you can take a look. The very powerful battery, lasts for a long time. And let me show how it's cleaning. If you can see it there. You go do it. Very easy. Everything is clean, very light. You can water it at 360 degrees. So very useful. JASHEN, so far so good.